Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Mac computer like dock in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So you can see right now I'm using a Windows computer. So we don't have a Mac computer like dock that is inbuilt in the Windows computer. So how you can get? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search this application name as Arcade Launcher. Just search this application and now you will see a tons of website link. Now you can select the first website link also, or you can select any other websites below also. So just click on the first website link. Now you can see here download option. Just click on it. Now you can see again download option, just click on it. Now you can see, just click on OK to download. So finally the application has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder. Now just double left click it to unzip this zip file. Click on extract. Now you will see here one folder name as Arcade Launcher. Just double click it to open it. Now you can see lots of files under this. So what you need to do, you can see here below Arcade Launcher, right? Just select it and just right click, and you can see here run as administrator. Just click on it, click on yes, wait for a few seconds. Now you can see our application running below, as you can see here on the bottom. So if you want to move it on the top side or the right side or left side, wherever you want, just you can see your blank area, right? Just put your mouse cursor on the blank area and just right click. Now you can see your position on the screen. So right now it's being default by set to bottom. So if I put in the top, it will go to the center, right? So in the Mac computer, the dock is mainly located in the bottom, and this taskbar is located on the above. So how we will just try to replicate the Mac computer. So just right click on the blank space and just select this option. Just untick this option, this one, as you can see, untick this option. So desktop icons, so all the desktop icons are being hidden. Now just move your cursor to the taskbar and just right click and just untick this lock the taskbar. Now we'll just try to drag it on the above side, and just we'll select this one, the docklet position, and we'll just change back to bottom. Now you can see it looks like a Mac computer, right? So here you can see different applications slotted. When you click on this Windows Explorer, it will open the Windows Explorer, that is the Windows folder, and you can see different programs. If you click on the control panel, it will open the control panel. And now say you want settings for this Arcade Launcher dock, just move your cursor to the blank area and just right click, and now you can see your settings. So you can add a themes also. You can just adjust the size of the dock. You can see here, you can adjust the size of the dock. If you have a big screen, then you can increase the size, and you can increase the magnifications. You can see the magnifications, you can just increase or decrease. You can items to magnify, you can see here maximum 7, you can increase it also, and you can set a transparency effect. You can just decrease, or you can set with no transparency. So these are the afferent settings, and you can see just next to the afferent is the position settings, where you want to put the positions. If you put in the right, then it will move back to right. If you want bottom right also, you can just place wherever you want by going to these options. And the next option is the behavior. Now it is very important if you want to make it run whenever you restart your computer or whenever you turn your computer on, right? So you can see here some options. The last option, start with Windows, so you need to select it if you want this Arcade launcher to start whenever you turn on your Windows computer, and unless and until you turn this option start with Windows, then you need to manually run this software again and again when you turn on your computer. So if you want this Arcade launchers all the time whenever they turn on your Windows computer, then just select this option. And if you don't need, then just you can untick it and keep it as it is. And here are some options: automatically hide also, you can just automatically hide. So and the next option is the level. So you can change the font to different font styles if you want, the size, the level colors, edge colors, shadow colors. So depending upon your needs, you can change the colors, fonts, and the size of the fonts also. And the next is the exclusion. So some programs you can just exclude by going to this option. And the last is the performance. So how you want the performance, and normal or very high. High means it will be much more sensitive, but I will highly recommend to keep it in the normal only. And if you change the magnification also, it will go to the smoothest, but I will highly recommend to keep it as it is. So these are all about the settings. Now whenever you open any program on the full size, it will just auto hide, right? So you can see the Arcade launchers. But if you want to see without minimizing the full size window, just move your cursor to the bottom and it will just pop up. So you don't need to minimize your full size window programs to access your Arcade launchers very easily. And you can just add here the shortcut icons of the respective applications by just dragging and dropping it here. And if you don't want any program from here, just you can select it and just drag it on the any blank area to remove it. So you can see like this. So in this way you can get a Mac computer like dock in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.